there, it's time for Story Revival, and today on the occasion of Nirjala Ekadashi, we'll tell you a story about Bhim. But first, a little bit about Ekadashi. Ekadashi is a day in the Indian calendar that relates to the 11th day after the full moon day or the new moon day. So in a fortnight of 15 days between the full moon and the new moon, Purnima and Amavasya, or even Amavasya and Purnima, Ekadashi is the 11th day. There are 12 months in a year and 24 fortnights. So there are 24 Ekadashis in a year. Ekadashi is considered to be a very holy day, and many people observe a fast on Ekadashi days. That is, they don't eat for the whole day on Ekadashi days. Fasting is good for maintaining self-control, mind control, and good health for those who can manage to fast. But Nirjala Ekadashi is a special kind of Ekadashi. In Sanskrit, Jal means water and the prefix Ni means without. So Nirjala means without water. The Nirjala Ekadashi fast is observed without drinking even water for the entire day. This Ekadashi falls in the month of Jyeshtha, that is the time period between May and June. India usually experiences the highest temperatures and the harshest of the summer season in this time. So observing the Nirjala Ekadashi fast is more difficult than other Ekadashis since it involves remaining thirsty for the entire day in the summer season. But let alone not drink water for an entire day, Bhim couldn't even remain hungry for one time in a day. Bhim was one of the 5 Pandav brothers in the epic Mahabharata. His 4 brothers Yudhishthir, Arjun, Nakul and Sahadev, as well as mother Kunti and wife Draupadi, used to observe fast on all the Ekadashi days 24 times a year. But Bhim could not bear to remain hungry. He couldn't go without food even once a day. In fact, one of the names for Bhim was Vrakodar, from the Sanskrit words Vrak meaning wolf and Udar meaning stomach. Bhim was famous for having a stomach like that of a wolf's. Lean and thin stomach, but with a vast capacity for eating and digesting food. Bhim used to feel very bad that he couldn't observe a fast like his brothers, mother and wife. He wanted to find a solution for himself. So he went to the sage Vedvyas and explained his problem. "Oh great sage, I am in a dilemma. My brothers, mother and wife, they all observe a fast on all the Ekadashi days 24 times a year. But I cannot bear my hunger pangs, cannot bear to remain hungry even once a day. Is there a solution by which I can gain the benefits of fasting on all the Ekadashi days without having to remain hungry 24 days a year?" Vedvyas smiled and he said to Bhim, "O Vrakodar, if you're unable to maintain a fast on all the Ekadashi days, try and fast without food and water for just one day a year, the day of Nirjala Ekadashi in the month of Jyeshtha. Fasting on Nirjala Ekadashi without food and water is equivalent to fasting on all the 24 Ekadashi days of the year. It is tough, but it is very beneficial. Try and do this fast." The thought of having to go without food and water for an entire day worried Bhim, but he was determined. The day of Nirjala Ekadashi came and Bhim was able to stay without food and water from sunrise to sunrise. He broke his fast the next day by offering Gangajal, that is the water of the river Ganga, to a tulsi plant and then proceeding to eat and drink. This way, by fasting on the day of Nirjala Ekadashi without food and water for an entire day, Bhim gained the benefits of fasting on all the Ekadashi days of the year. That is why the day of Nirjala Ekadashi is also known as Bhimseni Ekadashi, Bhim Ekadashi or Pandav Ekadashi. So that was the story of Bhim and Nirjala Ekadashi. We hope you enjoyed this story revival and will be back soon for more.